YouTube. What's poppin', man? It's your boy, Joshua Jackson with Joshua J Trades, brand new YouTube channel. Had a small following with my last channel, but I decided to look at that as practice, right? So I was doing reactions on that channel, but this channel right here, I want to show growth. I want to show the average individual from the ghetto to the hood to whatever country you live in, whatever walk of life you are, we can be consistently profitable when it comes to Forex trading, when it comes to futures trading, when it comes to live accounts, when it comes to prop firms. You heard me? I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana, and the outskirts, the country, boy, you know what I'm saying? I come from rats and roaches for real. For real. I come from a family of gangsters for real. Like, you know, I'm an authentic individual, and that's what I plan on bringing to this channel and to my subscribers, and to show you guys that you could come from nothing and just start off small. Right now, I have a Blue Guardian account, $10,000 to start, and I will scale that like scaling a business. I'm going to scale my live accounts. I'm going to scale my prop firm accounts. Utilizing prop firm accounts, I plan on, I'm going to scale in on my live accounts, and I'm gonna share my journey with you guys. So this is the intro to the journey, Joshua J Trades. To all my subscribers that's getting ready to come overload my channel, I speak it into existence. I just thank y'all for subscribing before it happens, and I thank y'all for following my journey. And remember, all things can happen if you believe in the Most High. You can accomplish anything, no matter what walk of life you are. You heard me? So thank y'all for following me. Straight up, you heard me? Peace.